Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NGCG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very rough day today. I'm not going to go as far as calling this a pump and dump, but it's quite close to potentially being considered a pump and dump. And the reason why I'm not going to go all the way and call it that, because you got to be fair. And from the big picture point of view, and let me actually point out this level first. What is that? Down there, 0.025 is the price could come down here to 0.025. Again, that's what that green line is. Behave like that and then work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis here on the big picture. And then from the big picture, you'd still have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. And if you envision those as stair steps, well, there you go. Now you still have big picture stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. Now, I emphasize the big picture point of view because I realize that really doesn't matter much if you're some sort of scalper, flipper, day trader, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought there, or maybe you bought there, or who knows, maybe even bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes. From those points of views, then yeah, this level doesn't really pertain. But as far as just kind of the broad, big picture story of things, the reason why that's so important, and why I'm not willing to call this a pump and dump yet is, if the price were to go down there though, and then continue on down, at that point, from a very literal perspective, that would literally be putting the price right back to where it was before the big move happened. So in other words, you'd have a chart that looks something like this, where there has been a huge move, and then all of a sudden, the price is right back to where it started, which is the epitome of a pump and dump. So again, I'm not saying that's what's going to occur, but that's just why 0.025 to me is very, very important, because it's really kind of defining whether or not the price is quote unquote making progress, that being bullishness, or if the price is quote unquote going back, that being associated with bearishness. So we'll see if the price can stay up above that level or not. But yeah, overall a rough movement, but who knows, from the big picture point of view, maybe the price can stabilize out and chip away a higher low. We'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.